In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to break a line in Google Sheets and insert a line break for a cleaner and more organized presentation. If you've ever worked with lengthy text entries in your Google Sheets and wanted to control how your text appears, then this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's walk through the process together. First up, you want to begin by opening a Google Sheet. If you've already got one open with data, that's great. If not, go ahead and open a new or existing spreadsheet where you'd like to practice this useful trick. This feature is especially handy when dealing with cells containing long strings of text or when you want to structure your information a bit more visually. Once your Google Sheet is open, the next step is to click on the cell that contains the message or lengthy text you want to format. You could be working with data that spills over into the next cells, making it difficult to read or organize. Clicking on this specific cell will ensure that any formatting changes you make will only apply to the text within that cell. Next, navigate to the specific word or part of the text where you'd like to insert your line break. Imagine you are preparing a list within a single cell or need to separate information clearly without spilling into the adjacent cells. This point within your text is crucial as it will be where the line actually breaks. Now for the key part, press the Alt and Enter keys on your keyboard at the same time. This action effectively inserts a line break within the cell, allowing you to start a new line exactly where you need it. Unlike simply pressing Enter, which would move you out of the cell, holding Alt while doing so keeps you within the same cell, providing you with a seamless way to manage your text's layout. Repeat these steps as many times as necessary. You can go through your cell's contents, pressing Alt and Enter wherever you need a break in the text. This can be especially useful if you're documenting multiple items, writing notes, or need to make sure information is clear and readable at a glance. By using these techniques, you can ensure your Google Sheets are tidy, organized, and easy to read, which can be incredibly beneficial whether you're working alone or sharing the document with others. Take your time to get comfortable with inserting line breaks exactly where you want them, and soon, organizing your text in Google Sheets will be second nature. Remember, tidy data presentation not only improves aesthetics, but also enhances understanding and efficiency. Happy sheet editing!